So this is going to be stuffed green peppers with pork. It's going to be cooked in the Instant Pot. First cut the green peppers in half. So just take out the core. So just put a knife in the middle here like this. Push up the middle. So I just want the middle here. Shake off the seeds. So you don't even need a knife, you just push up the center. You need 4 or 5 green peppers. These are the medium-sized ones. So here is the stuffing. We have about 6 ounces of ground pork. We got maybe 6 to 8 prawns chopped up. Just add an egg in there for binder and half a cup of chopped green onions. So add some soy sauce if you like, a tablespoon of light soy sauce. This is also known as regular soy sauce. Put some sesame oil, a tablespoon in there. You can add some salt too if you like, but it's probably salty enough. Now we're just going to stuff the filling into the green peppers. So the stuffed green peppers are ready to go. The stuffed green peppers are ready to go. We're going to put it into the Instant Pot for nice quick cooking. So just check the description below in my Chinese cooking accessory guide. You'll find different ingredients and items used in Chinese cooking, as well as the wok that I use and this Instant Pot that I use. So there's water in there already because we just cooked another dish. So I'm going to use this wire rack. We're going to get the wire rack into the pot here. I've got about 3 or 4 cups of water in there. You don't want too much because it will flow into the bowl, but you need enough so it doesn't dry up. So ideally it should go, the water should hit half the level of this bowl. Hope it fits. Yeah, it fits. Oh, this bowl's a little bit big. Okay, so I got it. So the water comes about halfway to the bowl here. So that should be okay. So remember the release button is in the back here when you put it on. So in the front, you'll have the close, and the open on the right. So turn left. And on this Ultra model, it locks in by itself. So I'm gonna press it and then set the time. I'm just gonna go 5 minutes and see. Because it's a small amount of meat with veggies. You don't want to get the green pepper too soggy. So I'm gonna start and just press this button here, the start button. I do the final push. So now I'm just going to open the lid. So open, it says open, turn to the right. Wow, there it is. It took 5 minutes to cook the stuffed green peppers. That's not including the build-up time. And I let it slow release for about 3 minutes and then manual release after that. Oh, it's still pretty hot. Be careful, it's still hot. So you can just take it out like that. There you have it, stuffed green peppers with prawns and pork. A very fast, delicious dish using the Instant Pot. Enjoy.
So
the meat is tender, lots of flavor. So make sure you put a little bit of that juice in the green pepper. That's really nice. So Instant Pot actually intensifies the flavor through pressure cooking. Also decreases the cooking time. So based on a lot of recipes, I find out you decrease the recipe time by 75%. Thanks for checking out my video. And please give me a thumbs up
And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.